Picking up 2 sticks on the floor. So here, you put the 2 sticks just in front of you. Again, the same as the basic that we did. Right knee down to get the confidence. So what you want to do here is pick up the front one with your, the back one here with your right, and this one here with your left. So yeah. So when you go from knee, you're going to be picking up like this. Okay. Again, slowly having to roll on your left, on your right side arm down to your shoulder. So if I go from the starting position, do it slowly. So I'll kind of grab here in position and I push myself forward. So from here, push forward and grab. Yeah. So push forward, grab slowly. So again, from this position, same again. The top one is the right, bottom one is the left. So here, once you get confidence, you push a little bit faster and propel yourself forward. So here, roll forward and push. From a starting position, the same again idea. So you want to gap about 4 inches apart. So here, you pick up the far one and then the left one, the near one, your left. So from here, you dive and pick up 2. And again, on this side, same again, maybe closer distance. So you here, pick up the 2 straight, you dive,